Good afternoon, everybody present here in this August valedictory program. Esteemed today's chief guest, Dr. Nalini Ranjan Naik, the Director of Glocare Pharma Industry at South Africa. Respected Convener Sir, Dr. Sagar Kumar Mishra, who is the Department Coordinator and Head. Respected Professor Shakti Prasad Pradhan Sir, the Principal of Mahalakshmi College of Pharmacy. Distinguished speakers and honorable participants present here. We welcome you wholeheartedly to this valedictory program. Respected dignitaries and dear participants, we have tried a new era. Like let's have a glance of our Utkal University with university's own theme song. That is for 2 to 3 minutes. Thank you. As a coordinator of faculty development program, let me read out the 5 days program in details. The program was organized with the financial support of All India Council for Technical Education, Training and Learning Academy. It was coordinated by me, Dr. Devashish Pradhan, Assistant Professor, University Department of Pharmaceutical Science, in coordination with our faculty members, the coordinator of the department, Dr. Sagar Kumar Mishra, Dr. Sunit Kumar Sahu, Dr. Ranjit Mahapatra, Dr. Sushanta Sahu, Dr. Shraddhanjali Patra, and our research scholars like Vandana, Adyasa, and so on. So the event Atal Faculty Development Program was inaugurated on 9th November 2021, and there were 14 sessions including the assessment. In the inaugural ceremony, Professor Dr. Sabita Acharya, the Vice Chancellor of Utkal University, as our chief patron, who have graced the occasion. Professor Alok K. Das was the chief guest from USA, who is at present at Creighton University, USA, who discussed about the nano drugs, their challenges. As a convener, Dr. Sagar Kumar Mishra coordinated the convened the meeting in the inaugural day. Around 100, more than 100 participants registered for this program, and in Delhi, 70 to 75 participants, they are attending all the sessions and recorded the mostly all the sessions, and all the 14 sessions are recorded in our Zoom. So they are mostly teachers, researchers, and industrial personnels from various pharmacy colleges, engineering colleges, biotechnology, and other institutes. Sir, we have a total of 15 sessions, and eminent scientists and distinguished speakers like professor from USA, one professor from Thailand, one professor from Utkal University, two scientists from Institute of Life Science, BBSR, one scientist from Niger, Bhubaneswar, two speakers from IMMT, Bhubaneswar, one speaker from Naipur, Mohali, Punjab, one professor from Brainware University, West Bengal, two professors from NFA University, Mangalore. So there are discussions with many topics in the different areas of nanotechnology, their toxicity from various fields, as the topic was covering multidiscipline. As evidence registered our participants, they are from different areas like information technology, engineering, veterinary science, plant science, life science, biomedical engineering, biotechnology, pharmacy, management, so which are coming under this theme, that is green nanotechnology. And most importantly, the active participants of our participants during the lecture and after the session, which indicates that our faculty development program is merely successful. So thank you all. With this, I request our convener, Dr. Sagar Kumar Mishra, the coordinator and head today of University Department of Pharmaceutical Science, who will convene the meeting throughout. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Okay, am I audible? Yes. Am I audible to all? Thank you, Dr. Devasis, for presenting the report of this program. Esteemed dignitaries, invited guests, participants, faculty members, research scholars, students, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. I welcome all of you to the valedictory function of this 5 days online faculty development program on the theme targeted delivery of green synthesized nanomaterials and their importance in 21st century. This program is sponsored by AICT Training and Learning Academy and organized by University Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Utkal University through virtual platform. My colleague, Dr. Devasis Pradhan, the coordinator of this FDP, has already presented the report of this 5 days long faculty development program. Green synthesis and drug delivery through nanomaterials are very advanced topics. So the resource person of this FDP discussed on various aspects of these topics, and I'm sure that the participants are greatly benefited by attending this FDP. And as my colleague Dr. Pradhan have told that we are having a galaxy of speakers from various fields, and the different topics has been discussed very vividly. So today we are coming to the end of this 5 days faculty development program, and on this valedictory function today we have Mr. Nalini Ranjan Naik as the chief guest. He is the director of Glocare Pharma Ethiopia. He is having rich industrial experience, and also he is having the rich experience for working in different countries. So now I request Mr. Nalinan Naik, the chief guest of this valedictory function, to say a few words in this occasion. Mr. Naik, please.
Good afternoon, all of you. I hope I am audible.
Yes,
Am I
yes,
audible?
you are audible. You are audible.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good afternoon, Dr. Pradhan, Dr. Sagar Misra, Coordinator, UDPS, Utkal University, Mr. Sakti Prasad Pradhan, the Principal of Mahalakshmi Pharmacy College, the participants from the different places, and others from the university. It is really an honor to be here today. You know that truth must be told. You know, when Professor Pradhan sent me an invitation email, I wasn't sure why they are sending me an email because, you know, I am from Africa and the business entrepreneur. They have seen my ethics, doing the business, doing the different responsibilities on a very professional way. So I was a little bit confused, not if it was not enough. I grew up in the same field where they were the professors. So, you know, it was again an absolute honor to be here today. About 15 years ago, I sat on the other side when I was graduating, and I know some of these are the most boring lectures that you can get. So here is the deal between you and I. I want to try and keep it as short as possible. Don't sleep on it, please. I have dozed through some of them, and they are really tough. So I can kind of continue this dialogue very happily. You know, before I even dive deeper into the anything, I think for all the participants out here, be very, very proud. Be very proud, and you can learn with some most befitting best educators of the 21st century and the second advanced Atal EDP program from one of the best institutions, that is Utkal University. I really admire to Utkal University, to Dr. Devashish Pradhan, the coordinator of Atal FDP program, the head of the department, the coordinator, Dr. Sagar K. Misra, and at last but not the least, the Vice Chancellor, Professor Savita Acharya of Utkal University, for organizing two such beautiful programs within 6 months of interval period. This is really a painstaking effort for whole 5 days program, and you know, to correlate the participants with the administrator and the other side of the speaker, kudos to all. Likewise, for the participants, if you are going to try something different, you need to have faith, you need to have belief that something in the world will actually work for you. Up there, definitely things are already designed. You have to wait for it. It took me longest, and I have many such stories, and the belief that it took me to the longest understanding that having belief on one of the most important factors in succeeding as you go forward for the next many years of your life. The third thing that was told to me was really crazy is good. It sounds crazy. You know, how can crazy be good? You know, I grew up in the mid-90s and I went to schooling, and my Mr. Kranik was saying, you were used to told that jitni badi chadar utni hi pair phailao. I think that is the days in the old times. Those are changed now, and the same didn't apply to today's world. In 2012, we made one more decisions. We should want to grow into Ethiopia, which is part of course, East Africa, and over to the South Africa. You talk to anybody about African countries, the concept is like very poor and don't go there. They will steal your stuffs. They will not let you go grow. They will not let you build a company. Nobody has been successful. Look at Google, look at Facebook, look at Microsoft, look at the companies. Nobody has been succeeded. That makes sense. So you should not also go. Again, did not make sense. Why? Because there was a pattern matching that was going on. The pattern basically indicate you should not do what has happened in the world in the past. Don't change the world order. We went to Africa. Today, I'm very happy that we made the decision despite everyone telling us not to do. We're the second largest platform in East Africa. you can say South Africa, part of whole Africa. It is purely a very logical way of pushing out what you should much earlier in the career. Whether you want to solve the healthcare, you can use nanotechnology, green synthetic approach to solve the healthcare. For only technology can solve in the teeth of researchers. Only technology can solve for the doctors anymore. You cannot create more doctors. Only technology can solve the security. Only technology can solve for the transportation. So there is no way we can build as many roads as they are needed. All of these are the opportunities. They are absolutely lucky in an environment in India where you have people with capital, consumers who are willing to spend, technology that has been advanced enough for you to not to recreate the technology. You are especially lucky. So to end this, I would say realize the team potential, realize your potential of what you can do in life, because what you can do in life is only what you know. Make this university proud, make yourself proud. The opportunity is literally in your hand only, and it is not in anybody's hand. It is only for you to lose from here onwards, and the university and the country to gain. So with that, best of luck with whatever you want to do in life. But as I said, please go ahead and do what you love to do. Increase the amount of passion and make Utkal University and India, of course, proud. Jai Hind. Thank you, all of you. God bless. Over to our coordinator, Dr. Sagar.
So, thank you, Mr. Nayak, for your nice speech. And you have shared your experience. You are having very rich experience in the entrepreneurship as well as in the pharma industries. And you have shared it with our participants. So, thank you once more for your nice speech.
Thank you, sir.
Now, so at the end, our participants are very important. And they have, because of them, they are the major stakeholders of this program. So before requesting Mr. Sakti Prasad Pradhan for the vote of thanks, now I request at least some of the participants, they should share their views. They should share their experience with this August gathering. So now I request some of the participants, they should share their views, at least one or two.
Anyone
So,
who
anyone
wants to talk,
share your views.
give their reference or the views, they can raise your hand so that we can allow them to unmute. Dear participants, yeah, one participant, that is Malavij T. I'll please allow him. Okay.
So, good evening, everyone.
Okay.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
So, myself, Malarvali, from Government College of Technology, Tamil Nadu. So, it was a very informative and useful program, sir. I thoroughly enjoyed, and I have learned a lot of information. There is new information that is related to the nanoparticle synthesis and how the nanoparticles are used in the targeted drug delivery. So what are the advanced technologies used? So it was very informative and enlightening program. So thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much. Any other participants? Anyone want to share their views? Okay, so now I request Mr. Shakti Prasad Pradhan, the principal, Mahalakshmi College of Pharmacy, Baleshwar, and also the member of this Atal FDP, to propose a formal vote of thanks. Mr. Shakti Prasad Pradhan, please.
Thank you, sir. A graceful and warm evening to all of you. This is the closing session of our 5 days of AICT sponsored Atal Faculty Development Program entitled Targeted Delivery of Green Synthesized Nanomaterials and their Importance in 21st Century, which is the advanced one. I am privileged to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this 5 days advanced faculty development program from 9th November 2021 to 13th November 2021, a very resounding success. On behalf of the entire organizing committee, first of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to the Lord Jagannath for the grand success of this 5 days Atal FDP organized by the UDPS Utkal University. I would like to thank our invited speakers, as well all the resource persons from various parts of the world for making excellent presentations, sharing their knowledge, experiences, and making this 5 days advance Atal FDP a very meaningful and interesting one. I would like to express deep gratitude to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Utkal University, Professor Savita Acharya Madam, for her gracious presence and officially inaugurating the Atal FDP, along with her guidance as well moral support. I would also like to thank to the other official administratives of the Utkal University for the timely support to make this event successful. I mention my deepest sense of appreciation to Dr. Sagar Kumar Mishra, the convener of this 5 days Atal FDP, along with other faculty members and non-teaching members of UDPS for their support and motivation during this event. I would like to give my special thanks to the organizer, Dr. Devasis sir, for frequently organizing such kind of thought-provoking, valuable, inspirational, as well interesting scientific events. I heartily thank to the people who have been the backbone of this 5 days Atal FDP, Ms. Bandana Behra and Ms. Adyasha Samantarai, because of whom we have made this event fruitful with their dedication, valuable time, on ideas, and outstanding support. Further, a big thank you to all the participants from the different parts of India for your willingness and active involvement in this 5 days advanced Atal FDP. Such kind of support will inspire us to organize this type of events in future. We thank you for being with us this time. Once again, I thank you all for your cordial cooperation. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you very much, Mr. Shakti Prasad Pradhan. Now, this is the final part of this faculty development program, this valedictory function, as well as this faculty development program, it comes to an end. So it is a great success. So definitely, I thank my colleague and the coordinator of this program, Dr. Devasis Pradhan, for organizing it in a very nice way. So I thank one and all. Thank you very much. Now the program ends with this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So with this, we are concluding this whole faculty development program, which was continued for since last 5 days. And I thank one and all, like all the participants, all the speakers, all the all my scholars, all my friends, Dr. Shakti Prasad Pradhan, Dr. Nalini Ranjan Nayak, who is the chief guest. So one and all, I am really proud to have all my colleagues, all my scholars, and all the participants who are the real, the blossom things in this program. Thank you all. And this session is closed. The FDP is closed.
Thank you.
Regarding the certificates and other things, that dear participants, regarding the certificates, we are uploading all these things by tonight, and from today till 15 days, you will have to wait 15 days, and AICT Atal will forward your certificates to your mail, and the speaker certificates they will be sending to me. I will forward to the speakers. And regarding the attendance and the if there is a shortage of attendance, I am not responsible for it. AICT will do the needful. Regarding the assessment, like if you are not successful above 60% of marks, then again I am sorry, I cannot help you in that. So these are the rules and regulation of Atal Faculty Development Program. With this, we are concluding everything. And if you have any queries and doubts, you can mail us. You can write us for any solutions. We are ready to help you out. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.